Today we are here in Blue Waters Island. Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So today we are here in Blue Waters Island, and behind me you can see it's in Dubai. It's like the largest observation bay you can see. If you want like sunset timings or something, so obviously the prices will be maybe 195 or something, but this looks so good even from here. And this is complete view of Arabian Gulf waters. Dubai Marina is also nearby. It's like opposite side of Ain Dubai. And that side is Marina. If you want, you can like book a yacht from. They will give you like approx 2 hour of tour of complete this Arabian Gulf area, starting from Marina, and you will see Ain Dubai and Palm Jumeirah, all these things, Atlantis. Here we are. booking for like sunset timings. So the price will be approx 195 dirhams per person for adult. And if you are booking like for general timings of like not peak time, so it will be 145 dirham. And you can see there are so many restaurants here. Actually, this is not peak season, that's why the crowd is less. But usually in peak season, you can see a lot more people here. Cute gorilla. We spotted a gorilla. Okay. See, पूरा व्यू कितना अच्छा है, एंड ये व्यू भी अच्छा है. This is Spanish restaurant. This are अभी कितना खाली है ये पूरा एरिया ना. पीक सीजन में
नहीं, इस तरफ कोई आता नहीं है ना बाहर की तरफ. अभी गर्मी हुई है
एक्चुअली. हाँ, समर हैज़ ऑफिशियली स्टार्टेड कि ऑफिशियली summer has begun, so you cannot see so many people here. But I think from October, November onwards, यहाँ पे बहुत crowd रहता है. So guys, this is the walkway, और ये walkway connect करता है Blue Waters Island को and Marina. You see this side, it's Marina, and this side is Blue Waters and in Dubai. So this is the walkway which I was talking about. ये walkway ही connect करता है Blue Waters and Marina को. You both. आपने क्या लिया है? हाँ?
मैंने 3 cars.
Yes. Guy has 2.
So this is Nissan Skyline GTR.
Nice. Okay.
This is Toyota MR2. It's a 1 to 60 model car, and this is also 1 to 60. And the other one is Nissan Fairlady Z.
Mission accomplished. Hey guys, so we are back from Blue Water Island. It was amazing experience, and frankly telling you guys, it's a much go-to place. If you are here in Dubai, do go to Blue Waters Island. Maybe in Dubai is a bit overhyped, but if you want to see in Dubai, like it looks beautiful from the ground itself. But obviously, if you want, you can go and try their observatory. I already told you the prices and tickets for adults, and yeah, and it's really good place if you want to go like Marina, JBR, or Blue Water Island. So there is a pedestrian walk which is connecting both JBR and Blue Water Island. So it's really nice, and you can find so many good restaurants, food places, like many different types of cuisines are there. You can find different stores for clothes shopping, or maybe anime and these kind of stuff was also there. So yeah, do check out this place, and let me know if you have already visited this place and what was your favorite spot there. And thank you so much for watching the vlog, and please like, share and subscribe if you like the video, and stay tuned.